Welcome to our world of metal art decor, where creativity meets craftsmanship to elevate your living spaces. From stunning wall art to captivating sculptures, each piece is a testament to the artistry and passion that goes into creating our metal art decor. Our skilled artisans pour their heart and soul into every creation, using high-quality materials and precision techniques to bring each piece to life. I never knew metal art could add such a touch of elegance to my space. It's truly a conversation starter. The attention to detail and quality of craftsmanship in these pieces is unparalleled. I'm thrilled with my purchase. Discover the endless possibilities of metal art decor and bring a touch of sophistication to your home or office. Whether you're looking for a statement piece or a subtle accent, our collection has something for every style and taste. Visit our website today to explore our full range of metal art decor and find the perfect piece to elevate your space. Transform your space with metal art decor, because every room deserves a masterpiece. Subscribe to our channel for more updates and inspiration. This video aims to showcase the beauty and craftsmanship of your metal art decor while highlighting the transformative impact it can have on any space. It's designed to engage viewers, inspire them to explore your collection, and ultimately drive them to make a purchase. Good luck with your YouTube promotion.